Welcome to one more session of Reasoning and Aptitude for Competitive Examination. We bring you free video lectures and free online classes in Reasoning and Aptitude for all competitive examinations. Now here we have the first question. If the 9-digit number, now here in the number, 2 of the digits are represented by X and Y. It is 985X, 3678Y. So two of the digits are represented by X and Y. So X and Y, and for the smallest possible digit between 0 and 9, if it is divisible by 72, find the value of X minus Y. The 9-digit number is 985, then one digit X, 3678, and one more digit Y, where X and Y stand for the smallest possible digit between 0 and 9. If this number is divisible by 72, find the value of X minus Y. Now the logical reasoning is this one. Any number divisible by 72 is also divisible by 8 and 9 separately. These two are the factors. 72 is equal to 8 into 9. So these two being the factors, and they are mutually prime. So any number which is divisible by 72 is also divisible by 8 and 9. So we check separately the divisibility by 8 and 9. Check the divisibility by 8 and separately check the divisibility by 9. Now to check divisibility by 8, we actually check the last 3 digits. And this is the last 3 digits, 78Y. So 78Y we check and we find that the last number has to be 4 in order that we may get 8 into 8, 64. Or you can also do like this. 78Y will be equal to 780 plus Y. In the same way as 784 will be equal to 780 plus 4, Y being the units digit. So 78 tenths and Y units. 780 divided by Y, 8 gives remainder 4. 780 when divided by 8 gives remainder 4. So 4 plus Y should be divisible by 8, and the single smallest number possible, one digit number possible, is Y equal to 4. For divisibility by 9, we add the digits and we get 46 plus X plus Y. And the nearest multiple after 46, the nearest multiple of 9 higher than 46 is 54. 9 into 5, 45. 9 into 6, 54. So X plus Y is 8 in order that this may give 54. If this has to be 54, then X plus Y should be 8. But Y equal to 4, we have already seen that Y equal to 4. So X is also equal to 4. So both are equal to 4 and X minus Y equal to 0. So actually this deals with the rules of divisibility, that if a number is divisible by 8 and 9 separately, only then it can be divisible by 72. Next, the total number of students in sections A and B is 150. 150 is the total number of students. The average marks obtained by students of section A is 86. The average marks obtained by students of section B is 71. The average obtained by all the 150 students is 80. 86 for section A, 71 for section B, and 80 is the average for all the 150 students of A and B together. Find the number of students in section A. So actually it's a question of mixture or alligation, where we are mixing students, two qualities of students, one in which the average is 86 and one where the average is 71 in a certain fixed ratio. And we get the final net average as 80. So mixing 86 students worth 86 average with students worth 71 average to get the final average 80, it's actually a mixture or alligation, so we apply the cross difference method. Section A 86 the higher value, section B 71 the lower value. 80 is the mean value or the middle value. Cross difference, crosswise. Here, 86 minus 80, 6. Cross difference, 80 and 71, difference 9. So the ratio will be 9:6 or 90:60 because the total has to be 150. So we multiply by 10 and 9 into 6 is written as 90:60 in order to get the total 150, which is the total number of students. So you can see that section A has 90 students and section B has 60 students. So section A has 90 students. We are using the cross difference method. Higher value 86, lower value 71, mean value 80. Crosswise take the difference to get the ratio 9:6. A 60-liter mixture contains 10% water. How much water must be added to make water 20%? Now, it's a 60-liter total volume. It already contains 10% water, and you have to add more water in order to make it 20%. Now, we are solving it by 3 different methods. Right? We are solving it by 3 different methods, and we show you that cross difference is the easiest and simplest method. So what you are doing is mixing pure water, that is 100% water, and 10% water, which is the water in the mixture, and the net should be 20% water. So higher value is water, 100%. The lower value is mixture, 10%. And the mean value is 20%. And when you cross 100% minus 20%, that is 80%. 10% and 20% difference is 10%. So the ratio is 1:8 or 1/8. But the total is 60 liters. So 1/8 of 60 liter would be 7.5 liters. So adding 7.5 liters water to the mixture will make the mixture 20% water and 80% milk. Now, second method. The milk remains constant. You are adding water. You are not adding milk. The milk remains constant. So in the first case, 10% water would mean 90% is milk. And in the second case, 20% water would mean 80% of the mixture is milk. The mixture was 60 liter. Now you have added X liter water. The total mixture is 60 plus X. So 90% of original 60 liter was milk. And now 80% of the new volume, 60 plus X liters, that is milk. And since milk remains constant, the two should be equal. So equating the two, you can get X equal to 7.5. Or thus, initial mixture has 10% of 6 liter water and hence 54 liter milk. So 54 liter milk, then you add X liter water to make it 6 plus X. That should be milk 80%, water 20% of 4/1, and you can cross multiply to get 7.5. All the methods are correct, but you can see that cross difference method gives the easiest and simplest solution. Now we come to the next question. If he, actually H and E are 2 digits, it's not he, H and E are 2 digits, raised to the power H is equal to SHE. Find the value of S plus H plus E, where each of the letter represents a digit 0 to 9. H is a digit, E is a digit, S, H, E all are digits. Now HE is a 2-digit number and the smallest possible value is 10. It can be more than 10, it can be 11, 12, 15, 17, 27, 87, but the smallest value is 10. Now 10 square is 100 and 10 cubed is 1000. But here you are getting a 3-digit number, SHE. So it cannot be cube, it has to be square. In order to get a 3-digit number, you can square a 2-digit number, but you cannot find the cube because, or any higher powers, because that will give you not a 2-digit number, but 3 or 4-digit numbers. So therefore, the power of H must be 2. This power, we are talking about the power. It must be 2 because 2-digit number raised to power 2 can give you 3 digit. But if you raise it to any other power like third power, cube, or fourth power, the number of digits would be much more. So h is equal to 2. So we get 2e power 2, which gives 2e as the last 2 digits. The only such number, the so-called automorphic number, is 25, where 25 squared is 625. The last 2 digits remain the same. 25625. 25 remains the same. And this is equal to SHE. That means S is equal to 6, H is equal to 2, E is equal to 5. The total is 13. Why we took H as 2? Because a 2-digit number raised to power 2 will give you 3 digits, but a 2-digit number raised to any other power would give you either 4 or 5 or some other digit. So if you want a 3-digit number, the power must be 2. Now let us see the next one. A vessel is filled with syrup water mixture, the ratio 5:3. How much of the mixture must be drawn off and replaced with water to get a mixture half syrup and half water? Initial liquid has 5/8 syrup, 5:3. That means 5/8 and 3/8. 5 plus 3 is 8, so 5/8 and 3/8. So initial liquid has 5/8 syrup and the final has 1/2 syrup, half syrup and half water. So we apply the compound interest formula, only replacing the plus with minus. So we say 5/8, which is the amount, final amount, into 1 minus r equal to half. So this is the principal. This is equal to the principal, and this is equal to the amount, the final, and this is the initial principal. And minus because the quantity of syrup is decreasing. And we get r equal to 1 minus 5. So 1/5 of the mixture must be replaced with water. Now we also have a cross difference method. 3/8 is the water in mixture and pure water is 1. 1 for convenience we are writing as 8/8 so as to make the denominator constant. So 3/8 is water and 8/8 or 1 or 100% is a pure water. And we want half. That 1/2 we are writing as 4/8 in order that the denominator may be 8 everywhere. So 3/8, 4/8, the difference is 1/8. 8/8, that is 1, and 4/8, the difference is 4/8. So the ratio we are getting is 4:1. So 4:1 means 4/5 of the mixture and 1/5 of water. So 1/5 of the mixture is replaced with water. So we can do it either the so-called compound interest formula, where 5/8, the initial quantity of syrup is the principal, and 1/2, the final quantity of syrup is the amount, and 1 minus r because it is decreasing, not increasing. Thank you. That was our video lecture on quantitative aptitude. We shall be coming back with more such videos. Thank you and goodbye.